Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my first car install video. Right behind me we have a Honda Fit and we're doing a roof scoop video installation. Let's get this started. Oh yes, also this thing. It's great. We got Caden peeling off the adhesive to really get this thing looking nice.
Just want it right here.
Yes.
Okay, so we got this new Hawaiian Girl installation. It's a pretty good one. Guys, would you look at that? That made this Honda Fit worth like 1,000 more.
Easy. I'm gonna get one of these. These are cute. What do you think?
Looks good.
Yeah, Maya. Guys, we're cleaning the car. We'll be right back.
So go forward a little bit.
Alright, so as you ladies and gentlemen saw before, we were having some problem getting the tape off this thing, so we're cutting it.
That worked perfect.
Ah.
Look at that.
Dogs under the car.
Ah.
Oh my god.
Satisfying. Oh my god.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting this show on the road. We'll be right back.
Hey.
We got a dog over there. Let's leave him there, though.
In the morning, pop shells for a living and berry gon' smell blood trail every minute. Road wave and you niggas no fair. When I hit 'em, every time I see it big, I don't hesitate to kill 'em. Ain't nobody give a fuck about a rule. Either get diplomas of a tool. I'm a cool with my youngest no boo. When I was bringing this cage, you fuckers fucking gang affiliated with nothing but my name. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Yeah, people be starving and people.
Alright, now we're installing new rims on this thing.
Those should stay on my mind.
Now for number 2.